Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven, eh? Give us this day our daily bread, and our kale shake. And forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom and the power and the glory forever and ever. Amen. Miigwech kitchimanadu. Oh, what? Wiisininda, Grandma. Aren't you going to do your podcast? But my eggs are going to get cold. Oh, just do it. It'll just take a minute. Yeah, I suppose. Okay. Bonjour ni Janashanabe Dub. And welcome to Bonjour NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And today our Ojibwe word's going to be wiisininda. Let's eat. Okay. Wiisininda, Grandma. Well, that's all the time I have for. Oh, come on, do more than that. Okay. Let's say it's last winter, right? And you just got done making some of that tuna noodle casserole. And you're gonna serve your grandmother. And you're looking around, and it's like, hey, where is she? And you look out the window there, and she's shoveling. She's shoveling the walk. And you go, hey, what are you doing? I said I'd do that later. And she's like, oh, blah, blah, blah. You're making me look bad. What if Vernon comes down here? He's going to think I just sit around and let you risk breaking a hip. So when that happens, you say, hey, Grandma, wiisininda, let's eat. Wiisininda, let's eat. Okay, is that good? Yeah, that's very good. Okay, that's all I have for today. Wiisininda, let's eat. Okay, you've been watching Bonjour NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and breakfast. Okay, I'll see you later. Kigawabamin, Minawa. I guess that means I'll see you again. Okay. Oh, gonna go now, Grandma? Yeah, you go ahead. Looks good. Looks really good.